In a small, picturesque village nestled at the base of a majestic mountain, there lived a woman named Raisa. Her life was a testament to the profound value of life itself. Raisa was known throughout the village for her unwavering love for nature. She spent her days exploring the nearby forests and meadows, where she would sit by babbling brooks, marvel at the vibrant wildflowers, and watch in awe as the seasons changed the landscape. To her, life was a precious gift, and the natural world was a constant reminder of its beauty and impermanence. One fateful day, Raisa discovered a wounded bird with a broken wing. Instead of passing by, she tenderly picked up the fragile creature and carried it back to her cottage. Raisa cared for the bird with a heart overflowing with love, nursing it back to health. In return, the bird filled her home with the sweetest melodies, a testament to the value of life's resilience. The villagers marveled at Raisa's gentle spirit and how she saw the beauty in even the smallest of creatures. They began to bring her injured animals and orphaned birds, knowing that Raisa's touch held the power to heal. Her cottage became a sanctuary for all living beings in need. As the years passed, Raisa's dedication to the value of life deepened. She didn't limit her care to animals but extended her kindness to people in the village as well. She visited the sick, helped the elderly, and listened to the stories of the lonely. Raisa's presence had a way of brightening the darkest days. One winter, a fierce storm swept through the village, causing widespread damage. Raisa, with the help of her fellow villagers, organized a community effort to rebuild homes and provide warmth to those in need. It was during these challenging times that Raisa's unwavering belief in the value of life shone brightest. The village had transformed into a place of compassion and unity, thanks to Raisa's tireless efforts. Her life became a living example of how the true value of life lies not in possessions or achievements but in the connections we forge, the kindness we share, and the love we offer to all living beings. Raisa's story spread beyond the village, inspiring others to recognize the immense value of life's simplest and most profound moments. She showed the world that in the grand tapestry of existence, every thread, every creature, and every person plays a vital role. Raisa's legacy lives on in the hearts of those who knew her and the countless lives she touched. Her life was a radiant reminder that the value of life is found in its diversity, in the small acts of kindness, and in the boundless love we share with the world around us. As the years went by, Raisa's influence expanded far beyond her village. News of her incredible compassion and her unwavering belief in the value of life reached distant lands. People came from near and far to visit her and learn from her wisdom. Raisa's home transformed into a place of pilgrimage for those seeking guidance, solace, and inspiration. She held gatherings where she shared her experiences and insights about the interconnectedness of all life. These gatherings became known as Raisa's Wisdom Circles, and they attracted people of all backgrounds and ages. Her wisdom circles emphasized the importance of preserving the natural world and the need to care for one another. Raisa's gentle teachings about empathy, kindness, and the value of every living being resonated deeply with her visitors. They left her cottage with hearts filled with gratitude and a renewed commitment to cherish life in all its forms. Raisa's influence wasn't confined to the physical realm. In the age of technology, her message spread even further. Videos and articles featuring her profound wisdom and the stories of her life became widely shared on the Internet. Raisa's name became synonymous with the appreciation of life, and she gained admirers from across the globe. With her newfound platform, Raisa initiated several environmental and humanitarian projects. She spearheaded tree planting initiatives, organized cleanup campaigns, and worked with organizations to provide clean water to communities in need. Her efforts, supported by her global following, made a significant impact on the world. One of her most ambitious projects was a worldwide Day of Gratitude for Life. Every year, on a designated day, people from diverse cultures and backgrounds would come together to celebrate life in all its forms. They would spend the day in acts of kindness, appreciation for nature, and expressions of gratitude for the value of life itself. As Raisa's life entered its twilight years, she knew that her legacy would continue to flourish. The countless lives she had touched, the projects she had initiated, and the wisdom she had shared ensured that her message would endure for generations to come. Raisa's story was a powerful reminder that the value of life lies in our ability to love, care, and appreciate the world around us. Her life demonstrated that when we embrace the interconnectedness of all living beings, we can create a more compassionate and harmonious world, where the true worth of life is celebrated every day.